Welcome to Acrylic Arts Academy, where painting isn't just about learning technique, it's about finding joy through creativity. If you've ever wished you could relax, paint confidently, and create artwork you actually love, Paint Your Own Happiness was made for you. This is our most complete acrylic painting course, an easy-to-follow, step-by-step program that guides you from the very basics all the way to creating finished pieces you're proud of. You'll learn how to blend colors beautifully, use brushes with confidence, and understand how light, depth, and texture bring a painting to life. But this course goes deeper than art skills alone. Paint Your Own Happiness also weaves in self-art therapy, gentle creative exercises that help you manage stress, express emotion, and rediscover peace through painting. Each module combines technique and mindfulness, showing you how creativity can become part of your self-care routine. You'll explore color psychology, expressive painting, and guided reflection, all through fun, relaxing lessons designed for beginners. You can move at your own pace, pause anytime, and come back whenever inspiration strikes. Everything you need is waiting inside: step-by-step videos, printable workbooks, and lifetime access to keep creating long after you finish the lessons. And right now, the course is available with special community thank you pricing, our way of making sure everyone can experience the calm and confidence that painting brings. If you've been searching for a creative outlet that helps you relax, express yourself, and feel genuinely happy again, Paint Your Own Happiness is the perfect place to start. Join us today and see how painting can change the way you feel, one brushstroke at a time. Visit acrylicartsacademy.com/free courses to learn more and start your creative journey with us.